Alright, previously we talked about some vocab for our story, The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street, and I believe that is on page 20 of your notebook. Please turn to page 20, or whatever page the vocab for Monsters Are Due on Maple Street is. You have 15 seconds to turn to that page. Do it now. Alright, now that you're on that page, we are going to look at those words, and I want to make sure that you really know them because you are going to be tested on these on Thursday when we take our monsters test. So the way that we're going to do this is you're going to be writing an original sentence that includes that vocabulary word. You'll be working with your elbow partner. Wait for my go. So you're going to be doing this activity on page, I believe page 26 of your notebook. Page 25 was the quick writes. This is going to be on 26. Please turn to page 26 now. Alright, on page 26, the title of this page is going to be Monsters, Vocab, Sentences. Again, Monsters, Vocab, Sentences is the title. It should look like this. Alright, now there were 5 words. So what you're going to do is for each word you're going to be writing a sentence, but this is not going to be like a normal just writing sentence thing. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a line straight down the middle of the page. Like this. Please draw your line now. Alright, now our first word, if I recall, is transfixed. Transfixed means you're very still, you're staring at something very intently, and in the story, the residents of Maple Street stood transfixed when the meteor went over the street. So what you would do, on the left-hand side of your paper, you put a number 1, and you're going to write that first word, transfixed. And then you're going to underline it. So it should look like this. Now, you need to write your own original sentence. So underneath that word, you're going to write your sentence here. When you're done writing your sentence, you're going to draw a line right underneath where your sentence ends. So you create this little box. Now, for each of these, you're going to be creating a different box. You're going to have 5 different boxes on the left-hand side. You're working with your elbow partner. You need to make complete sentences using all of these words, 1 sentence per word. You're going to have about 5 minutes. You may start now. Please pause the tape. Alright, now that you have written your 5 sentences with your elbow partner, you are going to find 5 more sentences. Now, how are you going to do this? Well, you are going to have to get up, you're going to have to talk to some other people, and you're going to have to record what they have written. You are also going to have to share your sentence with other people. So, you should have 5 different boxes on the left-hand side of your page. On the right-hand side of your page, this is where your classmates' sentences are going to go. So, on the right-hand side, please title this column Classmates Sentences and underline it. It should look like this. Alright, now you have this little box here. For your classmate sentence, you're simply going to continue the line and go straight across the page. So in the end, you should have 2 boxes with 1 vocab word. Your sentence went here. Your classmate sentence goes on this side. For each word, this is the same. Okay? You must talk to 5 different people, get 5 sentences, get 1 sentence per word, Okay, but you have to talk to 5 different people. You can't just talk to the same person and get all of their sentences. You have to talk to 5 different people. You're going to have about 5 minutes to do this. You may go now.